Heads. All right, so you get lane.
You get lane, we get flagger. Doing it on the light. Doing it on the light.
Where's your funky ass
Leave before the light. You already know what that means.
And you said somebody that could be mutual to flag. Who's gonna flag?
We'll pick that. We'll pick that in a minute. Yeah, a lot of them. No. Listen, first of all, are we gonna fucking talk? Or are we gonna hear and fuck around? The thing is, you guys will both know already. Leave before the light if you're ready. If you flash your light, are you flashing your lights?
I'm
What are
not
you doing?
flashing my lights. I can't.
What are you doing? We want to know.
How do you got more?
Listen,
hold on.
Listen what we said.
No, listen.
We still need to know if you're ready.
The flagger needs to know if you're ready or not. So if you don't do your light, and no one gonna tell him how do he know when to turn on the
Okay, I'll
light?
do my light. Fuck it.
There you go.
I'll do. Make it simple. Y'all do my light.
Are you gonna do your headlights?
Yes.
Okay. You're gonna do your headlights. You're gonna do your lights. Okay. Both of you guys are gonna do your lights.
Okay.
He's getting ready first.
After you do the, after you.
If you're in front of him,
you cross lanes anyway. You're paying.
exactly.
What about back?
What if he's behind?
If we're behind you,
Doesn't matter.
Back,
I
back.
want to make sure just coverage. Just
to me.
If whoever's in front crosses lanes.
Mr. Wiggy. Good morning. Good morning. Give me a hug.
The real flag.
All right, so you're gonna flag this race.
You're gonna flag the race for these two guys. He's got the Mustang. He's got GTR. Whatever car. You don't care what that is. But the thing is, he's gonna flash his lights when he's ready. He's getting ready first. Okay. And then he's gonna get ready with the GTR.
Okay.
He's gonna flash his lights.
Okay.
How much time you're saying between like
When he flashes the lights,
Are you foot braking or trans braking?
foot braking?
Okay.
after the mag, if I flash my lights,
Seconds. 1 to 2
I
seconds.
can
2
it up.
seconds.
Let me get this straight.
Harmon? Arman. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
I'm his granddad. Let me get this straight. When you guys line up, he flashes his lights.
We already talked
you
about
flash
it.
your lights.
Yeah.
And
Already talked
I want to make sure
This is for 60 bit racing.
I've been doing this a little bit too long, so you won't have no misunderstanding. When he flashes his light, you flash your light. Ready for this guy.
It's going to be right here. I'm not pointing to either one of you, nothing. I'm just going to go, okay. When you're going to flash your lights first, then you're going to be, are you going to flash your lights when you're ready?
I'm going to flash my lights.
Okay, then I'll make a pause and turn it on.
Chase is no race either. So if
it's a
someone
flag.
jumped the light and the other person chased him,
it's loose.
that's a loss. Because it's really hard for the other driver to know if he jumped or not.
Yeah, but
listen.
wait a minute. We want to get this straight because when he, we just want to be honest about this. If this man flags his lights,
Oh yeah, and he flashes
and he
lights.
flags his
They
lights
both
and
have to go.
leaves.
They
Yeah.
both have to
and
go.
leave
have
when
to
he
go.
flags his
But
lights.
I'm just saying,
You're
if
not gonna
one
do
of them,
I'm
just saying-
He's not going to do that, Sam.
If you guys both flash your
You know what
lights,
I'm talking
you guys
about,
gotta go.
It's
If he
on
turns the
fucking
light
video.
on,
Yeah.
Everybody
you gotta
leaves
go.
before the light, they lose the
When the
race.
light is flashed, you guys.
yeah,
Anytime
if one of y'all cars
I'm not
bogged or whatever, it's a race.
I don't think he's going to be sitting and go 1-2. I'm not doing
No,
it.
I understand that. I understand that.
So it's
Okay, we'll
And
go.
what about brake you pay? You gotta make sure you know that too. I know none of y'all gonna brake, but still, man, it happens.
Now you break anyway, you pay.
Yeah, you break your pay, even at the starting line.
Yeah.
Cross the lane.
They already
Yeah,
know
we
the
already
rules.
didn't talk about
You
that.
break, you pay.
All right,
Well, everything's covered.
we're good.
Money? How much is the money for?
3,800.
800 aside.
3,800.
Flashes lights, 1, 2 seconds.
نوبت من حالا بازی بریم
No, okay, just put
There's my two.
Edward 200.
I got it already. There's my two.
Call at the enough.
Christian.
I already did.
Are you good? I'm good.
I think this fucking shit's fucked up.
He's like, it's going up.
They got 18 cartridges, bro. None of them are paid off. I think I started to get this.
That's fucked up.
This is racing. Remember the night of the car? 20 feet out, standing still. I'm not going to point at either one of you. You flash your lights, you're ready. Once he flashes his lights, it's going on within 2 seconds or less. Okay? So, 1, 2, within that range. So know that when he flashes his light, you got to be 100% ready to go. Okay. Come forward.
Hey, everybody, back
Watch out! Watch out!
Hey, watch out. I don't know if he's going to do a hit.
Put your foot there, guys. Put your foot right there. Put your guys' foot right there. Put your foot right there. Yeah. Watch your. Just don't go all the way back, guys. Where's VHC? Stop, it. Use your hat. Use your hat. All right, get ready. Fuck yeah!
Who got it? Who got it?
Woo! Gypsy juice.
It's Monday today.
Hey, what was the finish line by?
I think it was 2 cars. I'm not sure, but it should be like 2 cars.
Right,
Maybe
I'm gonna insert it right here. Your little 2 cars, right?
maybe a little bit more, but I don't know.
That's why I want to see what you say from here, though. From here, yeah.
This is a good race, man. It was fucking crazy, man.
Get that W, boy! 5 cars. We'll take that. We gotta get that Jesus! Gypsy's for the motherfucking win!
Gypsy's for the win, baby.
That's fucking crazy.
5 cars. Yeah, fuck A18 1320. I mean, I love you. I love you.
Double the money rematch.
What's that?
Double the money
Let
rematch.
us get paid. I gotta talk to the owner first.
I'll do like.
You slept bad, bro. Hey,
I had a
you
problem.
never sleep that much.
All right, so he's gonna pay him, right?
Can I see it?
He's gonna pay him.
Count. This was
Thank you,
yours,
nice race, brother.
and this is theirs. I already counted them, so but I want you to count them.
As it could be, man.
If you guys want to give me a rematch today, if not, we could do like in 2 days.
Yeah, that's fine. Here, guys, count these guys.
Or like we could do that tonight.
Please, someone count it.
Good shit, fellas.
So count it.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Arman.
Hell yeah, man.
That's all fun of it, man. That's 38, and I got the
I
other
respect
38
you, man.
after you count.
Only because your car hesitated for a moment. Otherwise, you guys would have been neck and neck all the way
Did
down.
I lie to you about anything? Honestly? You fucked up.
Can I get the rematch though?
I don't know. Not about tonight.
Not
Not today. Another day. Another day.
Hey, Arman.
Hey, winners, does the starter get a little, like, dinner money? We're doing a good job?
I know.
I wish I was at the start.
I know what happened. I'm not gonna brag about
That's your
it.
business. That's your business.
That's my business.
You okay with the start, right? I turned that thing on as soon as you flashed the
I
light.
forgot I had to hit my flashlight too. I swear to God. I got ready. I'm like, oh shit, boom. My bush dropped too, and something else happened. I'm not gonna.
I just saw your lights flash. I turned it on.
Yeah, when you see these lights flash, you take it.
Oh yeah, within 2.
I slept. Pretty much, I gave him the go, and I forgot to hit my light.
Yeah, it was like you gave him the go.
It was very good go.
Let me get the start. I want to see the
Just
start.
say, how about stop the fucking complaining? Just say good win.
That's 38.
Say good win, grandson.
That's the other
How about
38.
that one? Ah, shut the fuck up. Say good win, grandson. Say it. Say it. Say it.
Can't do that.
Yeah.
I ain't making nobody's head big tonight.
Hey, your grandpa's not proud of you.
Why don't you leave him here, Jimmy? Leave him here.
You were on that, like, perfect, flawless. As soon as I pushed the button, he was gone.
And I know one thing, there's so many people gonna talk shit tomorrow. Huh?
Why? About what?
We'll see it.
It's all fun and games, man.
As long as just none of you guys here because it's all love right here.
Beautiful race. It was fair, man.
Hey, you'll never see one of us talk shit to you, man.
Yeah.
Can I have a lighter?
Money's good? All right.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
The turbo drop. Thank God the race went down. Everything went smooth. No drama.
Ready?
That's all that counts. That's all that counts, man.
All right, good job, guys.
That's how it should be. It's tonight.
Good job, brother. But you lost tonight.
Yeah. Am I getting my rematch? Man, come on, be honest to me.
Rematch you with his car?
Yes.
Yeah, but we're gonna do some work too. Like
Why? I'm not doing nothing to it. I'm fixing mine. I slept.
We gotta work a little bit.
Give me a rematch right now. Give me a
That's not
rematch.
my fault. It's my fault you slept.
Give me a rematch right now. Same amount or double.
Not right now.
See, so that you know, my car. I'm not gonna do nothing.
I didn't say. I believe you.
If you give me a rematch
I
right now,
told
I'll
you.
take it.
We think your car is faster.
Yeah.
But tonight it wasn't.
I know. I want to put on.
Tonight you lost. That's it.
Just because your car,
Celebration.
Woo! What's up, man?
We didn't want to bet against you. Did we say that on the phone? You know what I'm saying?
Who said that?
Get him, Arman. Get him.
You fucking heard it.
Come here. Jimmy, get in front of that pic.
W. 8,000. Right there, boy. Congratulations on the win.
I know how it's spinning on that car, bro.
No, he's fun.
He doesn't spawn bad, but he's fun.
Take off, I like. I know.